Hey guys, it's Star with two R's. I want to show you my room in Excellence Punta Cana. I'm in room 14207. So, I'll start here. Right here, you open this up, and if you have any room service plates, you put it in here and they can pull it out from the outside without coming into your room. Here is your safe and a steamer for your clothes and some shelves for your clothes. Here we have 2 robes, hangers, extra pillow, and an umbrella when it rains. Then under here you can store some things, your luggage, clothes, shoes. Okay, this is the bathroom area. It's a big walk-in shower, and the shower comes from the ceiling. In this room, where you have your towels, extra toilet paper, your toilet. Then they have these 2 buttons. One is for number 1, and this button is for number 2. And then if you want to make a phone call while you're doing your business, you can do so. Then we have double sinks. And then they supply you with a lot of things like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, washcloths. I usually bring my own. Toothpaste, if you forgot that. Comb, shower cap, shaving kit. So if you forget anything, they have you all covered here. Underneath here is your tissue, a scale if you want to keep track of your weight, and a blow dryer. Now right here on this wall is for do not disturb and housekeeping. And then this is your controls for the air. So if I don't want anyone to disturb me, push that button on to red, and it's a button outside that's lit up that says do not disturb. I'll turn it off. Okay, here you have your bar for your coffee, your teas, I believe hot chocolate, your mugs. There is the ice bucket, and you have unlimited access to some alcohol if you desire to have some. Down here is the mini fridge, and they give you waters. I drank all of mine. Coke, they give you El Presidente, and then they have a citrus drink as well, and they restock that daily. Here's just some literature on the resort, and then every day they come in and give you the activities for the day. Then over here is this nice big tub. Look at that. Then the TV is right above the tub, and it swivels so you can turn it whichever way you would like. They have a seating area and a table, and a little lamp. Then they have this huge king-size bed. But then look at the ceilings. Look how high this room goes up to. Very huge. Then we have our balcony area. This is the garden view / ocean view. So you can get a little garden and a little of the beach, ocean. Then they have 2 chairs. You can come out and lounge outside. And then also, just sitting out here one day, and I saw these buildings. I don't know if you can see from this video. There's buildings on the other side of those palm trees. And they're little shops. You can go and shop and get souvenirs. So, this is Excellence Punta Cana.